What would be his salient, sort of his unique interpretation of Buddha nature that diverged from the mainstream Shakya interpretation?
I guess one thing, yeah, you just mentioned about whether sort of the question whether he thought that Shakya Pandita was wrong, that's one point to address. And the other one, of course, is his interpretation of the Buddha nature. So one thing we should keep in mind, I guess, is that it's a general Tibetan strategy to, for example, when you talk about the teachings of the Buddha, right, there's so much attributed to the Buddha that you have to somehow sort it out, right? And the way to do it, when you find certain contradictions, you start talking about definitive and interpretive, right? Or you start talking about intention. Let me tell you what the Buddha really meant, right? When he addressed that crowd, or when he addressed that crowd. I know, you don't, like that. And so Shakya Chokden was using the same strategy pretty much, saying that, let me tell you what Shakya Pandita really meant. For example, in the three types of vows by Shakya Pandita, right? Shakya Pandita refutes the view that the Buddha nature can be dedicated, etc. Refuse certain views on the Buddha nature, right? And he says his own position on the Buddha nature is that the Buddha nature is just Chokden, right? Freedom from elaborations, freedom from conceptual elaborations. That's what the Buddha nature is. It doesn't have divisions. It's just, that's it, simple as it is. But then Shakya Chokden, who by that time already is very much interested in Yogacara works and takes them seriously, unlike most Tibetan thinkers who think that Yogacara is below Madhyamaka, right? And he says, no, Yogacara view is also, it is the ultimate Yogacara view, is a valid type of Madhyamaka view, right? And obviously it's more than just Chokden or freedom from elaborations when we're talking about ultimate reality or the Buddha nature. And so now he's saying, okay, Shakya Pandita said that, but he said that when he assumed the Madhyamaka point of view. In fact, Shakya Pandita very much agreed with what I'm going to tell you. Let me now tell you what he really meant, That's it, the same strategy, But now, instead of talking about the Buddha, we're talking about Shakya Pandita.